Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Mom.
Morning, Mom.
How are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine. How
Mom.
about you, Mom?
I'm fine too, thank you. Nice to meet you again for this morning. And I can see from your face that you are so happy and fresh today. I'm glad to see this. And it's mean that you are all ready for English lesson, right?
Ready,
Ready,
Mom.
Mom.
Okay, good. Okay, before we start our study, please for the chairperson, lead the pray first.
Okay, my friend. Before we start our study, let's pray together. Pray begins. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you, Samsul. Is the students absent today?
Erlina, Mom.
Why?
She is sick. Erlina, she is sick.
Okay, hopefully she will get better soon. Okay, students, do you still remember our lesson in the last meeting? What is our lesson in the last meeting, Lilis?
Yes, ma'am. The last meeting we learned about invitation.
Okay, good. And now we would like to learn about a new material that is about the text. And the text is about YouTube. Do you know what does it mean of YouTube?
YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online video.
Yes, you are right. YouTube is a free video sharing website that make it easy to watch online video. Okay, for this morning, the text include the analytical exposition text. And what does it mean of analytical exposition text? Do you know it? No. Okay, if you have no learn about analytical exposition text, let's to discuss together. I would like to share screen about the analytical exposition text. Can you see?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Analytical exposition text. Uh, this material I have shared on your phone. You can watch the video. And then the definition of analytical exposition text is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. And then the social function is to persuade the readers that the idea is an important matter and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. And then the language feature, you can use using relational process, using internal conjunction, using causal conjunction, using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence, and use the wording that link arguments. And then generic structure of analytical exposition text. There are three. For the first thesis introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. And then the second arguments, explaining the arguments to support the writer's position. The number of arguments may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. And then the third reiteration, restating the writer's point of view, Or to strengthen the thesis, we can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration. Okay, this is example of analytical exposition text. Please read the text first. I would like to give you 5 minutes to read the text. Okay, have done? Finish? Okay. Based on this text, I would like to give you question, 5 questions. For the first, maybe from for Lilis, what is the text tell you about, Lilis?
YouTube is such a significant platform for brand.
Okay, good. And then number 2, in your opinion, why the writer write this text? Farhan? Farhan?
Because the writer wants to persuade the reader that the idea about YouTube is an important matter, and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion correct by developing.
Okay, and then number 3, what is the function of the first paragraph? Maybe Ira can answer.
To introducing the topic of YouTube and indicating the writer's point of view.
Okay, good. And then for number 4, what is the function of the second, third, and fourth paragraph?
To explaining the argument about YouTube to support the writer's position.
Okay, good. And then the last question, what is the function of the last paragraph? You wanna try? Aris maybe?
To reflecting the writer's point of view about YouTube or to strengthen the
This is an
thesis.
example of analytical exposition text with the title banning of motorbikes is necessary in the housing area. Read and identify the structure of the following text. Okay. Complete the following table to help you identify the structure of the text. Are you ready to present?
Ready, Mom?
Motorbikes are a nuisance and a cause for great distress. Even though motorbikes are considered as the most convenient form of transportation, I think they are a hazard to humans, animals, as well as the environment. I think motorbikes should be banned in housing areas due to the following reasons: cause for unreasonable amount of noise or pollution, disease, and accident. Language feature, I think, I believe.
Okay, thank you very much for all of you. I think you all have a good job. And then I would like to give additional tasks about this text. Uh, you can check on your Google Classroom because I have sent the text 5 multiple choice and 5 essay. Once again, thank you very much for today. See you in the next meeting.
See you,
See you,
Mom.
Mom.